APHC leaders and organizations have said that Narendra Modi and his government are suppressing the people of occupied Kashmir with the use of cruel state apparatus. APHC leader Davinder Singh Bahal, Narinder Singh Khalsa, Shahid Salim Muhammad Aqib, Jammu Kashmir Peer Panjal Freedom Movement and Jammu Kashmir Awami Party in their separate statements issued in Jammu said the operation was meant to weaken the people of Jammu and Kashmir politically and economically. India's worst state terrorism victim, Insha Mushtaq, who recently qualified Class 12 examination despite having her lost eyesight in 2016, pellet firing, has said that she has faced multiple challenges on her way to make herself independent in the futuristic days of her life. India continues to confiscate the Kashmiris' lands and properties. In the latest case, its dreaded National Investigation Agency attached 3 immovable properties of the Kashmiri businessman Zahoor Ahmad Watali on Monday. Watali was arrested in 2017 by the brutal agency. The properties are located in Kupwara district of the North Kashmir. Authorities have converted the entire territory, particularly South Kashmir, including famous health resort of the Pahalgam, into a military garrison weeks ahead of the annual Amarnath yatra, causing huge inconvenience to the locals. Indian paramilitary personnel deployed in strength are seen patrolling and checking most of the roads in the South Kashmir. New pickets have come up at many places along the Islamabad, Pahalgam and Srinagar areas. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has condemned police action against the protesting aspirants of Fire and Emergency Services Department by the brutal Indian Forces personnel during their protests against corruption in the recruitment process at the press enclave in Srinagar the other day. Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet deplored that the aspirants have already spent lakhs on the litigation and are only demanding that investigation report into the recruitment scam to be made public.